Welcome to 5 Detox Tips that actually work for you. Today, we're diving into a subject that seems to buzz on every health blog and social media feed: detox. You may have come across countless fad diets and fleeting promises of cleansing your system in just a few days. But what does detox really mean? More importantly, which approaches are proven to support your body's natural ability to eliminate toxins, and which are just empty promises? In our modern lives, we're exposed to an onslaught of environmental pollutants, processed foods, stress, and even chemicals in our daily products. Although our bodies are naturally built to process and eliminate toxins through the liver, kidneys, skin, and lungs, sometimes they need a little extra help. Rather than resorting to drastic fasting or gimmicky detox teas, we're here to share 5 realistic, science-supported tips that empower your detox process in a sustainable way. Throughout this journey, you'll learn how to support your body's built-in detoxification pathways with daily habits that nourish rather than deplete. We'll explore practical steps like cleaning up your diet, staying hydrated, moving your body to sweat it out, ensuring proper recovery with sleep and stress management, and incorporating natural detoxifiers into your routine. So, if you're ready to clear the clutter from your system and boost your energy levels, let's get started on these 5 detox tips that truly work for you. Understanding detox and toxins. Before we jump into the practical tips, it's important to set the stage by understanding what detox really means. The term detox is often thrown around loosely in popular media. In its simplest form, detoxification refers to the process of clearing harmful substances, or toxins, from our bodies. Toxins can come from the food we eat, the air we breathe, or even the stress we accumulate during the day. Your body is equipped with a sophisticated detox system. The liver filters your blood, the kidneys expel waste products, and your lungs and skin help eliminate impurities from the environment. However, modern lifestyles sometimes overwhelm these natural processes. Over time, excessive processed foods, environmental pollutants, and chronic stress can put additional strain on these organs. Rather than an overnight cleanse, supporting your detox systems means providing them with the right tools and conditions to function optimally. Unlike some detox fads that promote extreme fasting or one-day juice cleanses, a truly effective detox is gentle, sustainable, and built on lifestyle changes that empower your health over the long term. With that in mind, let's explore the 5 actionable tips that can help boost your body's natural detoxification pathways. Tip 1. Clean up your diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. One of the most powerful ways to support your body's detox processes is by cleaning up your diet. Think of your food as the fuel that either supports or hinders your body's natural cleansing machinery. Why it matters. The standard Western diet is often overloaded with processed foods, artificial additives, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats. These foods don't just contribute to weight gain, they also burden your liver and kidneys with excess toxins. In contrast, a diet based on whole, unprocessed foods provides fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins that facilitate natural detoxification. Fiber, for example, plays a key role in moving waste through your digestive tract and binding toxins, while antioxidants help protect your cells from free radical damage. How to implement? Increase fruits and vegetables. Aim to fill half your plate with brightly colored fruits and vegetables at every meal. Think leafy greens, berries, carrots, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, all rich in antioxidants and fiber. Choose whole grains. Swap refined grains for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, barley, and oats. These complex carbohydrates not only supply energy but also help maintain steady blood sugar levels and support digestive health. Lean proteins and plant-based options. Incorporate lean proteins, chicken, fish, or plant-based sources like beans and lentils. A balanced intake supports your body's repair processes without overburdening your metabolism. Eliminate processed foods. Gradually reduce your intake of packaged, processed foods high in additives, sodium, and sugars. Instead, choose home-cooked meals where you can control the ingredients. By making these adjustments, you're not only reducing the toxin load on your body but also feeding your natural detox systems the nutrients they need to work effectively. This change is a cornerstone of a healthy detox strategy that lasts well beyond the short term. Tip 2. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. The power of water and detoxifying beverages. Water is one of the simplest yet most effective detoxifiers. Adequate hydration is essential for flushing out toxins, supporting kidney function, and facilitating every process in your body, from digestion to cellular repair. Why it matters. When you're dehydrated, toxins can accumulate in your bloodstream and tissues, making it harder for your body to eliminate them. Hydration helps to keep the circulatory system running smoothly, ensures that the kidneys filter waste efficiently, and even supports the health of enzymes vital to detox processes. Moreover, water helps maintain the integrity of your skin, the body's largest detox organ, ensuring that you sweat out impurities when you exercise. How to implement. Drink sufficient water daily. A common recommendation is to drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day. However, your needs may vary based on activity level, climate, and individual health. The goal is to keep your urine light yellow, which is a good indicator of proper hydration. Infuse your water with natural flavors. If plain water feels boring, try adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or a few mint leaves. This not only improves the taste but also adds a bit of vitamin C or cooling properties. Incorporate detoxifying beverages. Green tea, for example, is high in catechins and antioxidants that support detoxification. Herbal teas such as dandelion or ginger tea can aid digestion and liver function. Set hydration reminders. To help you stay on track, consider using a water bottle with built-in measurement markers or set hourly reminders on your phone to take a few sips. Staying consistently hydrated is a simple yet powerful step that can make all the difference in how effectively your body eliminates toxins. Tip 3. Get moving. Let your body sweat it out. Sweating is one of your body's natural ways to expel toxins. Whether you are exercising or just engaging in daily activities, getting your blood pumping and your body moving is crucial for a healthy detox. Why it matters. Physical activity not only burns calories and improves cardiovascular health, but it also promotes circulation and stimulates the lymphatic system. When you sweat, you release impurities through your skin, and exercise increases blood flow to your liver and kidneys, prime detoxification organs. This process helps reduce inflammation and supports the body's natural healing capabilities. How to implement. Daily exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day. This can include brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or following a home workout video. Even a short burst of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can boost your metabolism and promote detoxification. Try a sweat-inducing activity. If you have access to a sauna or steam room, using it a few times a week can be highly beneficial. If not, engage in activities that make you sweat naturally, such as dancing, aerobics, or even vigorous gardening. Incorporate movement throughout the day. If your schedule is hectic, break up your day with short bursts of movement. Try a few jumping jacks, a quick set of push-ups, or a brisk walk around your home every hour. This not only helps with detoxification but also keeps your energy levels stable. Stretch and breathe. Don't forget to incorporate stretching and deep breathing exercises post-workout. This helps your body transition into recovery mode and supports the elimination of toxins through a more relaxed state. By making regular physical activity part of your routine, you empower your body's natural sweat response and enhance your overall detoxification process. Tip 4. Prioritize sleep and stress management for recovery. Although it might seem unrelated, sleep and stress management are crucial components of any effective detox plan. While you sleep, your body engages in repair and renewal, and low stress levels ensure that your detoxification systems are not overburdened by cortisol, the stress hormone, which can negatively affect liver function and nutrient absorption. Why it matters. Quality sleep is when your body truly gets down to work. During deep sleep, it repairs cells, clears toxins from the brain, and balances hormones. Chronic stress, on the other hand, can impede these processes by keeping your body in a constant state of fight or flight, reducing the efficiency of your detox pathways and contributing to inflammation. How to implement. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. A consistent bedtime and wake-up time help regulate your circadian rhythm, enabling your body to recover fully when you're asleep. Create a bedtime routine. Develop relaxing rituals before bed. Dim the lights, avoid screens at least an hour before sleep, read a book, or take a warm bath. These activities help lower cortisol levels and signal to your body that it's time to rest. Practice stress reduction techniques. Incorporate mindfulness meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine. Even 5 to 10 minutes of mindfulness can significantly reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Limit stimulants. Reduce your intake of caffeine and other stimulants, especially in the afternoon and evening, to prevent them from interfering with your sleep cycle. By prioritizing sleep and stress management alongside your dietary and exercise efforts, you provide your body with the optimal conditions to process and eliminate toxins efficiently. Tip 5. Embrace natural detoxifiers and herbal support. Finally, one of the most effective ways to give your body an extra detox boost is to embrace natural detoxifiers, foods, herbs, and supplements that support liver function and help rid your body of harmful substances. Why it matters. The liver is one of the primary detox organs in your body, working tirelessly to break down and eliminate toxins. Certain natural ingredients have been shown to support this process by enhancing liver function, improving bile flow, and reducing oxidative stress. Incorporating these natural detoxifiers into your diet can work synergistically with the other tips we've discussed to create a comprehensive, effective detox regimen. How to implement. Add liver-supportive foods. Foods such as garlic, onions, cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, and leafy greens are known to support liver detoxification enzymes. Consuming these regularly can help your liver break down toxins more efficiently. Include antioxidant-rich spices. Turmeric and ginger are two potent spices renowned for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric, in particular, contains curcumin, which has been studied for its protective effects on the liver. Use these spices in your cooking, or consider blending them into smoothies or teas. Try herbal teas and supplements. Herbal teas such as dandelion root tea, milk thistle tea, and green tea can further support liver health. Milk thistle, for example, is well known for its liver protective properties and may help repair damaged cells. If considering supplements, consult your healthcare provider to determine the proper dosage and suitability for your situation. Incorporate citrus and beets. Lemons and beets are natural detoxifiers in their own right. Lemons boost vitamin C levels and stimulate bile production, a crucial component of the digestion and detoxification process. Beets contain compounds that support liver detoxification and improve blood flow, aiding the removal of waste products. Balance with probiotics. Don't forget that a healthy gut is a vital partner in detoxification. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut contain beneficial bacteria that help break down toxins and maintain a balanced internal environment. Integrating these natural detoxifiers into your diet is all about adding variety and nourishment. They not only help support your liver but also provide a wealth of micronutrients that bolster your overall health. Creating a sustainable detox routine. It's important to note that detoxing isn't about a quick fix or a short-term purge. It's about cultivating habits that support your body's natural functions over the long term. Here are some tips for making your detox routine sustainable without feeling deprived or overwhelmed. Start gradually. Begin with small changes that you can maintain. You might start by replacing one sugary snack with a piece of fruit or ending your day with a relaxing cup of herbal tea. Gradual changes are more sustainable and less overwhelming than drastic overhauls. Plan your meals. Create a meal plan that emphasizes whole, nutrient-dense foods while incorporating detoxifying ingredients. Prep meals in advance so that healthy choices are always at hand, even on busy days. This meal planning will help prevent the temptation to indulge in processed foods when you're pressed for time. Keep a detox journal. Tracking your progress can be a great motivator. Record what you eat, your water intake, your exercise routines, and even how you feel each day. Over time, you'll notice patterns that show improvements in energy levels, mood, and overall health, a testament to the power of these healthy changes. Listen to your body. Remember, every person's detox journey is unique. Pay attention to what your body tells you. If you feel particularly fatigued or hungry, adjust your routine accordingly. The goal is to support your body's natural rhythms rather than forcing a one-size-fits-all approach. Be patient and positive. Real, lasting change takes time. Celebrate small victories, whether it's drinking an extra glass of water daily or successfully preparing a new, detox-boosting meal. Adopting a positive mindset and practicing self-compassion will reinforce your commitment to healthy living. Making detox a lifestyle, not a trend in a society that often embraces the latest detox fad without considering long-term effects. It pays to remember that genuine detoxification is not a one-time cleanse. It's a permanent lifestyle shift that supports your overall well-being. When you view detox as an ongoing process rather than a temporary diet, you set yourself up for lasting results. Integrate over time. Incorporate detox-friendly practices into your daily routine rather than viewing them as a short-term fix. Consistent hydration, nutritious meals, regular exercise, stress management, and quality sleep are the pillars of lasting health. Stay informed. Health and nutrition research is constantly evolving. Keep yourself updated with credible sources, so you can adapt your detox strategies to new scientific insights. Being informed empowers you to make the best decisions for your health. Embrace flexibility. A fixed, detox phase may work for some, but for most people, it's about flexibility. Some days you may need a little extra rest or fewer toxins, and other days you might indulge more. The key is balance and continuous adjustment, so you stay aligned with your body's needs. Focus on the long-term picture, instead of getting caught up in the immediate results or the dramatic before and after images you might see online. Focus on the incremental improvements in energy, mood, digestion, and general well-being. These are the indicators of success that matter most in the long run. Conclusion. Empower your health, one detox tip at a time. Detoxing is not about depriving yourself or chasing a fleeting trend. It's about empowering your body to operate at its highest potential. The 5 detox tips we discussed today: cleaning up your diet, staying hydrated, exercising to let your body sweat it out, prioritizing sleep and stress management, and incorporating natural detoxifiers, are all simple yet powerful steps you can take to support your body's natural cleansing systems. Each tip is designed to work in harmony with your body's inherent ability to detoxify. By adopting these strategies gradually and consistently, you can support your liver, kidneys, skin, and overall metabolism over the long term. Remember, detox isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle that calls for balance, patience, and lifelong commitment. As you begin or continue your detox journey, celebrate every small victory: a delicious, healthy meal, an extra glass of water, or a few minutes of exercise. These choices add up, nurturing not only your physical health but also your mental and emotional well-being. With each healthy habit, you unlock a little more energy, clarity, and vitality. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of 5 detox tips that actually work for you. May you walk away with practical tools, renewed energy, and the confidence to transform your health one mindful choice at a time. Here's to a cleaner, healthier, and more vibrant you. One detox tip, one positive change, one day at a time.